is called the denominator.
Okay. The bottom number of fraction? Okay, good job. Diora, the result of subtraction is?
Subtraction is minus.
Uh-huh.
The result is natija.
Okay. The result of subtraction? B. Difference. Okay, good job. Muhammad Yusuf, next question is, a number like 3.5 is called? Fill the blank. Decimal number. Okay, let's write. Good.
The result of multiplication is called the product.
Product. What is multiplication, Shamshatbek?
Multiplication is
In Uzbek? Ko'paytiruv. Demak, ko'paytma tarjimasi product bo'lyapti. Good job.
fraction. What are the group and what are also two group is called the numerator. What are the denominator?
And your question is, what is numerator?
B.
Number?
Number of a fraction.
O'zbekchada? Kasrning
Kasrning tipi
qismi. Good job. What is quotient?
is the result of
Division. Okay. What does that mean, division? In Uzbek? Bo'lish amali division deyildi. And quotient? Natijasi. Bo'lishning natijasi quotient deyildi. Good job. Quotient type is true or false? This is true. Okay. Quarter means 1/4 in English. In Uzbek? Chorak degani bu 4dan 1ga teng. Demak, bu nima ekan? To'g'ri ekan. Muntazam ekan. Sum is the result of division. Is that true or false? False. What is true? What is result of division? Actually. Quotient. Good job.